Straight. Straight?
Yeah.
So so if you could bend in it.
No. I can't take the hookings.
Up top, man! Up top! We outside, Yaad Bwoii TV back in the house again. Done. You don't know what thing going on. Before me say nothing more, like if you do like right now. Me no want you represent. Like if you do right now. If you not like if you do, come on fight. Big and serious. People, Yaad Bwoii TV back in the street again. Pour and Tony live and direct. Done. Yeah? Right now, we're going to go in everyone and ask people them some serious questions. You see me? Just like the title said below, I never go tell you. I know you can see it below. You know what go on. We're not itching. Video man, watching it. Just roll it with me. Alright, good evening, are you here with? Brina. I said Brina, isn't it? Anyway, Brina, are you currently in a relationship?
Yeah.
Comfortably?
Yeah.
Alright, big up your man then, one.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
I joke man, Toby. What are your preference in men? We like short, tall, black, slim?
Not too tall, not too shy. You know, really, the complexion really matter.
You say man or man? Alright, what's your period? Straight or curve? What you like? Straight it? You like it straight or curve? Bend up what?
Straight, alright, I'm good with it.
You say you don't want to curve up. Or I get in and curve up again.
It don't got too much car.
Wow.
Oh my God!
When you got, hold on. When you got car, it's not real good.
Yeah, man.
You're afraid of peace there. You want to run of them too.
Talking mad nigga, that snitch. I ain't been no.
My God, you hear that? Athletic. Run up and down.
Low brain.
Sweet to do. Wow.
You know, I feel like I'm better at that one.
Hold on.
Bwoii!
Hear me I say, Steve. Hear me I say. Raw or rubber?
If it's something good, you have to go raw, though.
Yeah, boy.
Say fully raw.
Fully raw.
You can't take it back a bounce up and shoes up. Oh, boy, Brina, we like your son. Hear that, people? So, Brina, you want to go to Instagram, anything? Yeah, what YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You will show to make you go and...
I know me, my mind matters.
Yeah, hope I think they're on your mind, you know. I'll catch you in action, isn't it? But pick up yourselves, you don't know what I think. Yaad Bwoii TV there, here.
Yeah,
What's your name?
Abby?
Abby, right? Alright. Abby, are you currently in a relationship?
No.
No?
Yeah.
So what make a nice woman like in a relationship?
Man, the man, them not behave themselves.
Okay. Mannequin?
Look so.
What about this father, God? Yo, man, don't fix up on yourself, you hear that? Anyway, what your preference in men? What you like? Short, maybe short, tall, slim, black,
Slim, brown.
brown? So I'm the black man them.
Too much I want to think good for nothing. It's in black already.
So
Bwoii!
what the blood fry this man and me I say him could have a chance at you know too?
Complexion too high.
Jesus, give me a bleach and come back. See. Anyway, straight or curve? You look surprised.
Alright, I say curve.
Curve? Bombat! You like it curve? So curve and meet places and touch places done.
You can't call it that.
I am quinto ball and something there.
My nigga.
Tell the truth, man. Why you like it curve?
I don't know. I guess you should place like where the Arab business just
Yeah.
now work.
You just reach a place where you want to go down. Alright, so raw or rubber?
Raw.
You like it raw? Fully raw down.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, boy.
you know if you say you should put on a rubber to protect yourself.
I'm like, you're growing with everybody.
Alright. So that means if me I come cross, me have to come straight, come curve and come with a rubber.
And
If you come with the rubber. Because why my first time I come through.
it gonna take some time.
My nigga.
Alright, no problem. So we hear our review on it. She said she want it curve up and she like it raw. Is it me? Can't fight her for that. It's all good to me. Is it me? Welcome back to another episode of Yaad Bwoii TV. We're here with two beautiful ladies. Nice, cute girl. I watch her for a long time. And I have her over here. She's nice too. Anyways, what's your name?
Julian.
Alright, Julian.
Manda.
Manda, I like her name. I mean, so sweet like no face. Anyhow, are you ladies in a relationship?
No.
Where's that?
No.
Joking.
I'm not joke.
I know you must have somebody.
Me, no.
Nobody at all?
No. I choose to stay single.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
So what make them two sing? Hey, subscriber, see two nice woman here. I beg you know, flood them DM little more here.
Single, so no don't flood it.
Alright, and two say single. Single but everything being the same. Anyhow.
We do the entanglement.
Entanglement?
Yeah.
We do that too.
Bwoii!
Alright. What are your preferences, man?
Your personality have to go there.
Alright, otherwise I'm personality. Paint the picture for you. Tall or short?
Tall.
Fat or slim?
Slim boy have to have muscle.
Me have that. Me ready.
Stop it. Get to
Me
me.
ready. That's what I come in. Black or brown?
Not really matter.
Ah, black man, she say, hear that? How about you?
Tall.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can be my height. As long as you're not shorter than me,
So now we see. I eat that.
yeah.
My nigga.
So me get two girlfriends now. You see that? Easy squeeze, see that people? Two girlfriends me get. Alright, watch you now. Want to keep it really me, right? Keep it really me, you know. Wanna promise? Pinky promise? Pinky promise? Alright, watch you now. Straight dark curve. You know me I talk about. Straight dark. Straight?
Yeah.
So so if you could bend in you can.
No. We can't tell the bookies.
Hold on. You can't take your hookings, so what hookings do? What hookings do?
A joke. I'm straight. Just like I said straight.
You like straight or a straight you used to?
I never see a curve on it actually.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
You know what? Anyway, me soon come back to you. Hold on.
No, don't come.
Straight dark curve, my friend.
You in my business. Don't do that.
No, man. Straight dark curve. The fast body now.
Alright. Little curve.
Little curve.
Yeah.
Like one little poops a bend.
Yeah.
Wow. Raw or rubber?
Rubber.
Rubber.
Where I go?
Ah, you're safe. Me like how you talk. You know, it's safe thing, don't you?
Yeah.
How about you?
No rubber.
Hardcore.
Yeah, boy.
And that's why I stay to myself.
That's
Because you can't just run around. So you have to protect yourself. Here, don't hear what me say and say, boy, she lose. Me no lose. So you just protect yourself, know who you are dealing with, make sure say. A modern time now, so people say, oh, you not go, where you go doctor? Don't make nobody fool you. No. Go doctor, let the man check up, you check up too, and the two want to see it. Me not say it's 100% because after on the check up, you can go behind the back and do what you do, or you can go behind him back and still, you know, but when you start out safe and follow up on the rest.
You hear that? Me like how them talk, you know. A positive mindset them something, you see it? Alright, ladies. Can we go on Instagram?
Jody_176.
Anybody want to shout out?
No.
How about you?
Manda_inspire business page. We do lash ladies. The fusion lash them. So definition_beauty_bar. And big up all of the YouTuber them. Keep on doing the job.
When she say lash, you know, she don't mean them big ugly sitting there, you know. Them big fan dog or something, you know. Nice little cute lashes and something, you see me? You not talk about the window shade them. Yo. Thank you, it's been a nice interview here. Yaad Bwoii TV, we out. Here, Very nice, the people there. Alright people, we're here with
No name, no face.
no name, no face.
Name, no face.
Alright, how about you? Give me your name, man.
Please.
Niece? Alright, she name Niece. We are working out again. Anyway, are you currently in a relationship?
Yes.
You?
Yes, married second on everybody.
What star? What are your preferences in men?
Short, no, not short. My height, big body.
Say that one more time.
My height,
Yeah.
which is 5'10",
Yeah.
and a big, black, dick.
Wow.
Whoa!
What star? What about you?
But like them tall and maga man. Would be good. Me not reading the ask that question.
Hola, so
So why your preference?
Them are-
Tell them my preference.
them are cos.
Then it asks me straight up.
anyway, you say tall and slim, maga man. So you want the buzzy night then?
Buzz.
Alright. Black or brown?
Black.
So that's what like I'm here to talk about. Right, true. Alright. No problem. Alright. Anyway.
Hey,
Look
sir,
at me,
lock
look
off
at
the
me.
camera then.
Look at me. Anyway, hold on.
That part then.
Here, yes, that's what I can cut out. Alright, hear me I say. Straight or curve? Oh, you like it? Straight or curve? You like it bend up?
Yeah.
Why you like it curve?
Second touch, quite
Yeah, boy.
What? Hey! Me like put that to you. What about you, mama?
long and curve and full of beer.
Long curve and full of vein.
It's the best for me.
How should I describe myself?
I don't say
No, no, yeah, too much. Anyway,
Whoa!
hold on, I'm fish me interview now. Fish me interview. Hear me I say, raw or rubber? You say you don't like rubber something? You like a whole heap of feeling, excitement.
Yeah. Everything, my friends, raw. Just like that.
Fully raw.
Raw, right through.
Yeah, boy.
Boy, I like how they women stay. I swear to you. Why I couldn't book up on a friend day? One day all along.
That's what you wanted, man.
Alright, so
Do you ever come out at night?
she doesn't want it. That means you can't show to the Instagram or something.
No, I don't want that.
Anybody know want to big up it otherwise?
No,
Nobody? Jesus Christ. Anyhow, want you to want them here? A Yaad Bwoii TV, big up on yourself.
yeah, man,
Yo, do you know what a date has been today? We are hunting straight nice street people. Oh my God, yo, give thanks for all I support we are getting right now, hear that? Remember to like the video like right now, people. Not the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel same time, please. If you subscribe it, give you a strength. We really need it, and we are reaching up there. Yaad Bwoii TV there. Give thanks to all our support the video and everything. But you know, we out of place.